Let's say we want to determine the derivative of the following. P of a is equal to a to the power 5 over 15 minus 2 times square root a. Just to make our lives easier, let's change all of this to an exponent wherever possible. So what I mean by that is I want to change the radicals to exponents. Minus 2 a to the power 1/2, right? Because a to the power 1/2 is square root 2. And then if I want to find the derivative, you can notice here that we're using the difference rule here, right? P prime of a is the derivative of, right? So don't memorize the modifier, because the modifier here is the derivative of y with respect to a, right? Of a to the power 5 over 15 minus 2 derivative d dA a to the power 1/2. Then you use the power rule, right? So if we use the power rule, we're basically going to get 5 over 15, right? Because you got to think about this as 1 over 15 times a to the power 5. And then when you do the derivative of a to the power 5, then what you're going to get here is a to 5a to the power 4, right? So I think it would be easier if we kind of wrote it like this. 1 over 15 d dA a to the power 5. Okay, and then you can just do the derivative of a to the power 5 anyways. So that's going to give us basically 5 over 15 a to the power 4 minus 2 times 1/2 a to the power negative 1/2. Okay, so I'm just utilizing the power rule. And in this case, p prime of a, if I clean up some of these terms, you should get 5 over 15, which is 1 over 3. Let's make this 1 over 3. A to the power 4 minus 2 times 1/2 cancels out. A to the power negative 1/2. And if you want to keep positive exponents, we have p to the power p prime a is equal to a to the power 4 over 3 minus 1 over a to the power 1/2. Or you can do square root a. Right? And you can leave your answer like this. Okay, and that's the derivative.